Hello and welcome to me Star Yachts restorations. I've got 2 or 3 of these I'll be doing in the future, and just doing it for a change of tack, so to speak. There's a change from die casts and steam engines, and it goes back to my childhood. Like, Star Yachts were formed at the beginning of the 20th century by a man fleeing Europe and the war there, and he set up in Birkenhead. They made other products at first, but then branched out into the main product they're famous for, which were the yachts. This is a picture of them at an exhibition, and they had a glass case at this exhibition in which they displayed a yacht that was found 100 miles out at sea. And this is where it started with me in my childhood. I was bought one of the top of the range, a Star Yacht 5, and it was called Northern Star. And I never really got to sail it proper. It was more of an ornament, got lost throughout the years. Unfortunately, it was a beautiful boat, and I've bought a few, starting with this little Endeavour one, which I may or may not restore. I may keep that original. And coming up, I've also got, it was advertised as a Star Yacht 3 because someone's put Star Yacht 3 sails on it. It is in fact actually a Star Yacht 1 hull, to which I've bought sails for it and will be restoring it as a Star Yacht 1. And these are actually brand new, ex-factory, and the factory closed in 1982. But Star Yachts were a firm favourite, especially here in North West seaside resorts, where shops that sold kids' toys nearly always had Star Yachts. I bought mine in Fleetwood, and this is a Star Yacht 3. That's back to the Star Yacht 1. I'll be replacing deck fittings like this. If I can't find them, I'll hand make them out of brass sheet. But it's seen better days, that. I could straighten and polish it, but I think I'll make a new one. Just a sheet of brass and files and scissors or metal cutters, and I'll be able to make that. And the yacht on this one, the Star Yacht 3, the masts have been snapped, so it's quite in a sorry state for itself. Could do with a repaint as well. And here we are in a second. I've given them both a floating test in the bath. This is giving me chance to discover new filming ways as well, rather than sticking to die casts all the time. It's branching out for new filming techniques. As you can see, I could have done with more lighting here, and a bit more focus would have helped. But it basically demos the boats and tested them for floating. They float okay. I was dubious about the weight of the keel on the blue one, but it's weighted quite nice. I think I will file it to a better shape. And here we are. Here's the wrecks. Well, they basically sound, but they need attention. That's the Star Yacht one. Somewhere along the way somebody's made an homemade keel for it. Whether it's because they were balancing up the homemade... Well, I think somebody's been trying to fine-tune one to their own sailing methods, because they'd had Star Yacht 3 sails on a Star Yacht 1 and a homemade keel. So I think they've been tinkering with it. And here's the Star Yacht 3, that's as from factory. But should be fun getting them up and running. There's going to be a lot of sanding, painting, cleaning sails. Just a bit of different, like broadening out my skills for restoration and give me different things to do. Enjoy the cars, but it's all very samey on your skills. Once you get to a certain point, you're just drilling bass, tapping. And this will give a different skill set. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the builds in future. And as usual, bye for now and take care.